Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So just recently here in the greater Los Angeles area, I was able to find this Mills high top. This is a 1948 Mills Black Beauty in a Regal cabinet. So Watling, Mills, Jennings, Pace, all built from the factory club console slot machines, and they were the high end. So you could buy a slot machine without a console, or you could buy a slot machine with a console, and there was a bit of added cost to get the console machines. That means they were freestanding in the club and they could be placed around for play. This happens to be a 1948 Mills Black Beauty Regal high top. When I got this machine, I bought it because this is as close to new old stock as you can get. This machine has been played very little. It's actually on the jackpot meter, which I will shoot you a picture of, has hit 76 jackpots. That's it in its entirety. As you can see, it's beautiful and clean. The cabinet is in very nice condition. We brought the machine in, and as always, we did a full service and detail on it. This is all original paint, all original finish. It has not been monkey with. All we did was wax it and basically treat the wood with what we use, but there's no spray paint, there's nothing on it. I waxed it all up, all completely original. Very little wear up here. See, in a casino machine in the old days, they would put so many coins through here and drop so many. This section right here would typically be 8 off because the edge of a coin is very sharp. And if you drop 5,000 of them on here, it eats this all off. Very little wear up here, and very little wear even here where you put the coin in, where the black is missing. Once again, I've completely serviced this. Now this is a Regal, in which most of them, it has drink and ashtray tray. So when you sat in front of the machine to play it, typically they'd have a stool, you would have an ashtray and a couple of cocktails here, okay, which is in there. As well as this machine is, sorry Jeff, this is a front load jackpot machine. It has the original cash box, it has all the anti-cheat stuff in it, it has all the drill proofing in it, it has the original everything. It has not been monkeyed with, and you will see all that in the still photos. Let me just see if I can see here. Okay, so front load jackpot, it works like this. The machine does not load the jackpot, so this was a very common feature in old slot machines. It's called a front load jackpot. Once the jackpot is hit, you reload it through here. So the money immediately, once the pay tube is full, goes off, goes to the cash box. This has a huge jackpot in it. I mean, when this dumps, it's gonna darn near just put a big old pile down here, plus 20 coins out of the pay tube. Okay. So let's get to the playability. Once again, I've completely serviced this machine. It runs like a champ. A lot of people say dime machines aren't as good as others, but I can tell you this much, there's only one coin you can get at a dime machine, and it's a dime. This machine, a good running dime machine, runs as good as any slot machine. Come on now. And you can hear, this is the way they should sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a beautiful, beautiful low to no miles machine. All I gotta do is get it to pay here. Okay. Just super, super clean. Come on. I just hit something a minute ago. It'll come up. Stick with me. Oh, that would have been nice. I'd have taken a jackpot. All original reel tapes. Just a super all original paint. Absolutely killer machine. Plays well. You can let the kids play this. It's that good of a machine. Looks like I'm not going to get lucky here. Oh, there we go. We got a cherry. Boom. It's a 2.5 machine. Plays nice crisp. Super, super duper. Here we go again. Bada boom. Another cherry. Once again, if you hit the 3 bars, this all gushes out plus 20 coins. A lot of fun to hit the jackpot on these. But we ain't hitting it today. That's why only 76 of them dropped it. Okay, anyway, beautiful, as close to original, Black Beauty, 1948, Regal, in the cabinet, all original, clean as a whistle. You'll see the photos for the stills. Just a great machine. Thanks for watching our videos. Somebody's gonna get a beautiful machine. Thanks.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.